everyone, how are you? I am so happy to see you, and I am so excited about my Christmas haul. Do you like my shirt? I got my shirt online. This is my Hallmark watching Christmas movie shirt. I wanted one of these for a couple of years, and I finally bit the bullet and got a couple of them. Pretty good price too, but they were going out of business, and I wanted this one. They didn't have it. Dang it. Anyway, but I like this one, and I like the red and black buffalo check. I thought that was cute. Anyway, let's get on with my haul. All right. Now, I work right in front of an at-home, and I have bought probably 3 things at that store since they've been open. And they've been open now 2 years. So that tells you how much I go there. Because to be honest, their prices, they're not great, and they never have coupons. The only time they have a coupon is for your birthday, and they give you 15% off. So that's when I went. So the girl rung me up. She was all done ringing me up. I was walking outside and I was looking at my receipt, and I thought, wait a minute, she charged me for the same tree, but the more expensive one twice. So I went back in and I said, there was a mistake made on the receipt. And the guy said, okay. He goes, I'll take care of you. He went over, rung the whole thing, and gave me 25% off because I had to come back in the store. Can you believe that? So I only go there once a year when it's my birthday because you get that 15% off. Anyway, let's get on with it. All right. Now, as you know, if you followed me, I have done my kitchen, oh my gosh, for the last 5 years in a candy theme. And one year, if you go back into my videos, I've done Disney with Minnie and Mickey and Goofy and candy and all that. And then, what else did I do? Well, candy theme. But this year, I want to do all the gingerbread and all the peppermint. So it'll be a gingerbread peppermint theme kitchen. And I'll follow it into my family room, eating area, and then my family room will be snowmen. But you guys, I am in love. Look at this tree. And it's a candy cane Christmas tree. And they came in 3 sizes, but I only got 2. But look at that. Isn't that adorable? And it looks like those little ribbon candies, well, kind of like a half ribbon candy. And then on the bottom it has a couple peppermints. But isn't that adorable? That is going to go so well with this theme. I was so excited because they had some really good stuff. Okay, so now, look, I got the one next down in size. And then they had a baby one, but I didn't get that one. Aren't those adorable? I think they are so cute. Then, okay, so I want the gingerbread too. Look at this. It's supposed to be, the waffle cones? It's supposed to be those stacked up to make a tree, and then out of the waffle cone, and then the icing, and then the little peppermints around it. Is that adorable? I love it. Oh, I can just see it. I'm just picturing the whole thing. I just know I'm gonna, well, every year, as a rule, when I decorate, I always think, oh, I think I really like this one the best this year. And then every year, I end up liking the next one the best. I never know. Anyway, so then I had no intentions of getting these deer. No intentions whatsoever, but it was $4.99. Both of them were $4.99. But look, and I can't remember what they are, but it looks like real fur. Isn't that so cute? I just love that little face. And then look at this one. Oh, so cute. So I already know what I'm going to do with these. Then I got these trees. Aren't these cute? And they're wire, and it's just, they're twisted up, but I thought these were really cute, and I thought it would go cute with these as well. Are you starting to get the picture, what I'm kind of looking at here? I bought just a couple, because I have some already, but I bought a couple of the lollipop and their ornaments, but I'm not going to use them in a tree, I don't think, because I do put a couple trees in my kitchen. And these were $1.99. You see this, the ornaments. These will go in the kitchen because they look like peppermint, like little sprinkles of peppermint. I thought those were really cute. Really want to do it over the top this year, you know, with the gingerbread and the peppermint. Okay, wait. And then I got one gingerbread house ornament. It was $2.99. So that will go on one of my trees. All right, so now I'm going to put this away so I have room. And, oh my gosh. I couldn't believe the price on these. At Hobby Lobby, I think, okay, I don't know for sure, but I think they're around, I hate to say because I don't know, but I know they're more than this, $1.99. And they have a lot, look at all they have on them. Look at that. Look at all they have on those, and $1.99. So I got 3 of those. But what really made me want to go there, I went crazy. When I saw this, and like I say, I looked online and I saw it and I thought, oh, I hope the store has them. Wait. You're gonna love it. If you like gingerbread and decorating with gingerbread, you're gonna go crazy. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Look at this cookie cutter. Hello? Hello? I can look right through it. Look at this cookie cutter. I love it. It's so cute. And they had one bigger than this. Bigger. But I wasn't going to pay $60 for it. Look at that. And look how they have the red and white, and it's just going to go perfect. And the berries, you guys, I'm telling you, I fell in love. Because last year, I did put cookie cutters on my Christmas tree and gingerbread men that I made, and I'll probably be making more of those as well. I am in love. I think this is the most adorable, if you're going to do gingerbread. I love it. So that is my at-home haul. Could not believe the cute things that I got from them. It was crazy. Anyway, I'm going to do another haul pretty soon, but I'm going to put this stuff away. I want to thank you for coming along with me to see what I got from at home. So go out, if you're doing the gingerbread theme, go out and get this, you guys. It is adorable. It really is. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.